Right before the Sadhguru Shribrahma Yatra, I was doing a trial drive to all the Sadhguru Shribrahma ashrams, to calculate the drive time, plan the food and restroom stops, and basically sort out the logistics. When I reached Yamsupalapuram village, I was shocked. The temple was completely razed to the ground. I got curious and spoke to the village elders, and I learned that the structure was old and needed rebuilding. Coincidentally, the day I arrived was the very day construction had begun. As I continued speaking with them, I learned that the temple construction budget was 1.5 crores. The villagers, along with relatives abroad, had already raised 25 lakhs and decided to go ahead. I asked, "What's the plan for raising the remaining amount?" Their response was exactly how you would expect Sadhguru Shribrahma devotees to speak. "This is Sadhguru Samadhi temple. He will make it happen. We just have to be there." Wanting to do my part, I made a video and posted it on my YouTube channel. Normally, I avoid clickbait titles, but this time I used one to draw attention. And it worked. People started donating. Some shared their names and locations, while others chose to remain anonymous. Contributions came from all over the country, the UK, USA, and many other countries. Also, during the next 3 Sadhguru Shribrahma Yatras, I reached out to the participants, and they not only donated but also encouraged others to contribute. The support was overwhelming. The village elders were very happy. Almost every month, the village elders called me with updates. And now, thanks to your generosity, the temple is finally complete in just 16 months. This would not have been possible without His grace. But for grace to manifest, we need devout and receptive people like you. I bow down to everyone who contributed and supported this. The Kumbhabhishekam ceremony is on March 12th. If you can travel, I encourage you to attend. This entire journey has been an eye-opening experience, a testament to the power of social media in bringing people together and transforming lives. For the past 2 years, under the Tattvamasi Dharmic Trust, I have been traveling, filming and documenting. Apart from this, we have also been organizing monthly homestay and temple tours in Kanyakumari. I know I haven't posted much videos lately, but that's because I am taking a few months off to edit the backlog from the last 2 years. Many of you have even messaged me asking for more Tata talks. I hear you. This year, expect long-form mini documentaries on topics like Grama Devatas, Muttaraman, Angala Parameshwari, Karapar Swami, mini documentaries on these topics, the ruins of Hampi, Agastya Muni, Season 1, and many more exciting subjects. For all this to happen, I need to step away for a while to focus on the post-production, the editing part. Thank you for your understanding, support, patience, and contributions. Namaskaram.